Have you ever come out to your car and this has happened? Yes, you totally forgot to plug your trickle charger in when you last put it away. This now is a bit of an issue because the Jag here has the battery in the back, and the back is only opened electronically from inside the car. And if my battery is dead, how do I get inside the car and how do I open the electronic tailgate? Well, lucky for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how to do just that. So now I need access to the door, and that is done by using the hidden key in your key fob, like so. Now don't be worried if you've got the old style key fob. I've upgraded mine to the squarer one. The old style, you just slid off the side here and then the key was in there. So where does that key go, I hear you say? Well, it's in a hidden keyhole. So if you pull your handle out like so, you can see in there is the actual hole for the key. So once you've exposed the lock, then all you need to do is put the key into it and unlock the door like you would on the old type cars. Once you've unlocked it with the key, then you should just be able to push the handle in and pull it, and the door will open. So now we've got access to the inside of the car. We now need to go across and open the bonnet. Now once we've got the bonnet lifted up, that gives us access to our jump off point, which is the positive under here and under this piece here. Got the positive terminal and we have a negative or earth terminal here. And to do this, I'll be using my Ring Lithium 300. I'm not affiliated with this. I bought this. I've had it for quite a while. This is my jump pack. So let's carry out the next stage. So the next stage is to now connect up the jump pack to give the car some power so that we can use it to open the rear deck. Nice. So by doing this, this now gives us access under the floor here to the actual battery compartment. Where we can connect up a standard battery charger and get some life back in our battery, and try not to forget to plug in the trickle charger next time I leave the car. And don't forget to tidy up back under here and put this away, keeping it nice and waterproof. And of course, close the bonnet the correct way. So that's it guys, hope that's been of interest to you. For those who didn't know how to do that, then you've got no excuse now to get your car back sorted after your battery's gone dead. But don't forget, get that trickle charger on if you don't use it as a daily driver. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me the thumbs up for this video. Catch you on the next one.